does a flood insurance dwelling policy cover and what does it not cover? Hi, it's Dave Dickinson with Bankers Compliance Consulting. What you see up on your screen right now is a warning that not everything is covered. And this is a little bit shocking to a lot of people. Next time you get a chance to look at a flood policy, flip to the back and look at some of these declarations that we have up on your screen, and you'll see that we do not cover any of the following. Look at number 8. Anything underground, equipment, wells, septic tanks, septic systems, those portion of walks and walkways, docks, driveways, patios and surfaces, etc. There's a lot of things there that aren't covered. If you go over the right-hand side, number 12, fences, retaining walls, seawalls, etc. Let me go on. Also, anything in the basement or below ground, and if you go over the right-hand side, that is not necessary for operation. So let me say it another way. If it's downstairs and it's needed to run the upstairs, it's covered, but otherwise it's probably not. For instance, drywall and electrical junction boxes and things like this. These are things that are covered for the upstairs. So I'm going to give you some examples. I have a ranch-style walkout basement home. In my house, there are 2 retaining walls outside holding back. They're very valuable and necessary, but they're not covered. In my basement, there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, etc. The carpet down there is not covered. They'll do the drywall, but they're not going to paint it. And they're not going to, basically they'll put up the sheetrock and that's it, and they'll stop there. Now, in my basement, there's utility room. That's needed to run the upstairs, so the junction box and the hot water heater and the furnace. But I happen to have 2 hot water heaters. They're only going to cover 1. So when you start looking at the insurable value of a dwelling, you have to discount all these things that are not going to be covered. And anything below ground, basically, is probably not covered unless it's necessary to run the upstairs. So you might tell someone they have to go out and get full replacement costs. But what's the maximum amount of check that they're going to get from FEMA? Maybe something much less than what it cost them to construct that dwelling in the first place. So be careful of this. This is really an insurance agent area of expertise, but you need to know as lenders that maybe this is what we thought the insurable value is, but the full replacement cost is something less. Don't make people buy insurance that won't pay. That's my warning to you. I hope this helps your understanding of insurable value when it comes to dwellings. Thanks for watching.